Hello, Magic. Good evening. Hi, Magic. Can you hear?
Teacher.
Hi, can you hear?
Yes,
Very good. So, how are you today, Magic?
I'm happy.
Wow. Oh, I see a sticker on your hand. What picture is it? Let me see. What is that? What picture is on your hand? A picture
And
of a
also
dragon?
is a dragon.
Dragon. Wow. That's a very brave sticker. Okay. So, how's the weather in your
Teacher,
place right now?
how,
Yes,
how
Magic?
are you?
Me?
Teacher, how are
I'm
you?
fine. Thank you for asking, Magic. Have you eaten dinner yet?
Teacher, do you want to listen? Do you want to hear my song?
Yeah, sure. I would love to listen to it.
Do you want to be a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. When after that, it's like a gone away. We used to be a buddy, and now we're not. I wish you'd tell me why. Do you want to be a snowman? Snowman, go away on that. Okay, bye. Do you want to be a snowman or back our house?
Wow, that's a very nice song. Oh, do you like watching Frozen?
Con có thích xem ấy không bé? Frozen là những chú con biết đấy.
Yes,
Do you?
I like.
Wow, that's great, Magic. Okay, who is your favorite character? Anna or Elsa?
I like to sing a song, Pony, and
Cô đang hỏi con kìa.
yes,
Nghe câu hỏi. Do you like who character do you like? Anna or Elsa?
I like it.
Do you like Anna or Elsa?
I like Elsa
Elsa, why do you like her?
because she is beautiful and she is
Cô ấy có phép thuật là sao?
have magic.
Yes, that's right. She can actually turn everything into ice by just opening it, her hand into it. All right.
Teacher, it's my
Yes.
sister.
Oh, is that your sister? I think that's not your sister. This is actually my other student. Yes.
Teacher,
Oh, yes.
do you like Anna or you like Elsa?
Oh, I like Anna because Anna is a very sweet sister to Elsa.
Teacher, do you
Yes.
like to do you want to sing a song, Pony?
Oh, I don't know how to sing that song, Pony. Can you sing it for me instead?
Yes.
Sure.
Welcome to our show. You see a lesson now. Our turn is now. Your turn is funny. Uh, 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 How Pony play in the period.
Rồi, đây rồi.
All right, you're
Teacher.
shy too. Yes. Hello, Hongzong. Did you hear Magic singing a song?
Yes.
Đây.
Yes. How about you, Hongzong? Do you know how to sing English songs?
Yes.
Wow, what song do you know?
Yeah. I know.
Wow. Do you know how to sing Frozen song?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, all right. Magic also know that one. Okay, so do you like Anna or Elsa, Hongzong?
birthday to you.
Do you know Frozen? Like, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's
Go and
go
play.
and play. Do you know that
And
one, Hongzong?
it's like a gun. Say your body. And now I'm not. I wish you to tell me. You have to be snowman.
Oh,
Going on that. Okay, bye.
all right. Thank you for singing that one. Magic. You have a very beautiful and sweet voice. Anyway, for today, we are now in Unit 3. It's all about birthday party. Okay, now I want you to look at the picture. How many children are there?
There are 6 children.
That's right, Magic. Now, look at this kid, Hongzong. What is she doing?
Is it singing?
Yeah, she is singing. Very good. What about him, Magic? What is he doing here?
He is listening a song.
Yes, he's listening to a song. Very good. Okay, so do you like joining a birthday party, Hongzong and Magic?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Okay, so if
Yes,
you go to a birthday party, what can we see?
I see balloons and a
Very
sun
good.
and a children and
Yes.
a song.
Yes, that's right. Okay, then we can also see some cake.
It's a cloud. It's a Sunday.
Yes, so yes, you can see the sun, you can see the clouds in this picture, Hongzong. Great. Okay, so Hongzong, what can we do in a birthday party?
Yes. Uh, anh này em là
We can,
a cake. This is a cake. Eating a cake.
yes, we can
Eat
eat
cake.
a cake. Very good. How about you, Magic? What can you do in a birthday party?
I can sing a song. Happy birthday. And I can speak fireworks. And I use blow up candles.
That's right. Very good. Okay, so before we start, do you know how to sing happy birthday to you in English?
Yes.
Okay, so let's sing that one in the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow, very good. But whose birthday is it today? Is it yours, Hongzo? Is it yours, Magic?
No, my birthday is in September. No.
All right, that's great. So no one is having a birthday today. But next month, Magic's birthday is coming. Okay, so we are now in lesson 2 here, all about toys. Wow, we're going to play a game later. But first, look at the picture. You listen, point, and say. Here it is, Magic and Hongzong.
Page 26. Lesson 2. Toys. A.
Toy.
Listen,
A.
point, and say.
And
1.
say.
Doll,
Dog.
dolls,
Dog.
2.
ball,
Ball.
balls,
Ball.
3.
car,
Car.
Cars.
car,
4,
Cars.
Kite. Kites.
house,
Very good. All right, now take a look at this one. What toy is it?
is is a dog.
Very good. Okay, now look. How many doll? We have one. Okay, so
One,
look, it's only a doll. You say, this is a doll.
is
You say,
this is a dog.
very good. Look, it's only one. So we say doll. Then this is. Now look at this one. How many dolls?
Two dogs.
Very good. So we have 1, 2, then we add S, dolls. All right. Now look at this one. What are these?
They are dogs.
Great job, Magic. Okay, so look at this one. How many dolls are there?
Three dogs. Three dogs.
Very good. There are 3 dolls. Do you have a doll, Hongzong?
Yes.
Wow, great. What's the name of your doll? What is the name of your doll, Hongzong? Is it called Anna? Is it called Pony?
Yes.
Oh, nice. What about you, Magic? Do you have a doll?
I have. Yes, I have. I have a pony. dog.
Wow, I like that pony's color. It's purple, my favorite. What's the name of that pony? Is it called Pinkie Pie?
No, her name is Magic.
There it is. That is Pinkie Pie, Hongzong.
No, her name is Magic.
Oh, Magic. That's really nice. It is named after you, Magic. All right. So look at your pony, Hongzong. What color is your pony?
It's a pink.
Okay, it is pink. Can you say it is pink?
It's a Pinkie Pie.
Oh, yes, that is Pinkie Pie. All right. Now look at this one. What is it?
It's a ball.
Very good. Now look at the ball. What color is the ball?
It's a rainbow. Green,
Yes.
red,
So if it
white.
looks like,
yellow, and
Mhm.
purple. Rainbow
Yes,
color.
yes, that's right. So look at the ball. It has many colors, just like the rainbow. So we say it
One.
is colorful.
Purple.
Look, what is the color of the what is the color of the ball?
Is red, green, yellow, orange, red, purple. Green, blue, yellow, purple, white, orange.
Yes, that's right. So look, there are many colors. So we say colorful.
Colorful.
Very good.
Colorful.
One more time. It is colorful.
Colorful.
Nice. Now look at
colorful.
this one. What are these?
See, they are balls.
Very good. Your turn, Hongzong. What are these?
It's the ball.
Yes, balls. These are balls. Okay, now look at this one. What is it?
It's the car.
Nice. Now, very good. What are these?
This is cars. Car.
Okay, Hongzong and Magic, you say, these are
These
cars.
cars.
Okay, your turn, Hongzong. These
Are cars.
are cars.
Car.
Very good. Look, how many cars are there?
There are 3 cars.
Nice.
Teacher.
Okay. Yes, Magic?
Wings.
Yes, and it can fly. That pony is very cute, Magic. Okay, so do you have a car, Magic?
I have. My car is big.
Oh, that's really wonderful. Is it a toy car?
No.
A real car?
It's no. It's my dad's car.
Oh, your dad's car is pink. Oh, that's really cool.
My dad is a driver.
That's nice because he is a driver. What does he drive? Does he drive a taxi, a bus, a motorbike?
Drive a car.
A car, nice. How about you, Hongzong? Do you have a car?
Yes.
Hongzong, do you have a car? Oh, I cannot hear you, Hongzong. All right. Now look at this one. What is this?
This is a car.
Very good, Hongzong. Okay, what color is the kite?
Is red and green.
Very good. What can we do with the kite?
We can a rectangle in a kite in
Yes,
a sky. Teacher,
very good. We
I have
can
one
fly the kite in the sky.
Teacher, my
Yes.
kite is curvy.
Wow. Did you make your kite, Magic, or did you buy it? All right. How about, let me see. Oh, wow. That's so nice. Yes, that's a very nice kite, Magic. It is a bird, right?
Her name is Curvy.
For me. Oh, that's a nice name for your kite, Magic. Okay, so look at this one, Hongzong. What is the shape of the kite?
It's a cinnamon.
What?
A cinnamon.
A cinnamon? Ah, look, you say diamond. Diamond. Yes. So look, let's draw a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond. That's the shape of the kite. Do you have a kite, Hongzong?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Where do you fly your kite? Do you fly it in the park, at school, or at home?
This is fly on a sun.
What is that? You fly it in the
Big.
at the beach. Wow, nice. Okay, say I fly it at the beach. One more time, Hongzong.
fly at the beach.
Beach. Beach.
Look, I fly it at the beach.
Fly. Tôi thả nó ở trên bãi biển đấy.
Okay.
I fly.
A
Beach.
beach.
All right. Now look at this one. What are these?
This is kites.
Yes,
There
very
are
good.
many kites.
Great job. Now look, how many kites are there?
There are 4 kites. There
Very good.
are 5. There are 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so there are 5 kites here. Okay, great job. Now look at this one. So look, we have here 1 doll, 2 dolls. Okay, if it's only 1, no S. If it's
No.
2 or more, we add S. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Now look at this one. How many?
1.
1. Very good. So no S. We call that one, you say singular. Very good. That's only 1. Now look, how many?
2. 2 dogs.
2. Very good. 2 dolls. Great job. Now look, we call it plural.
2.
One more, plural. Very good. Plural means more than 1, 2, or more. Then we add S. Okay?
Yes.
Now look at this one. All right. Look at the ball.
No.
Okay, only 1. Is it singular or plural?
Plural.
Try again, Hongzong. Singular or plural?
Single.
Look,
Single.
how many?
Single. 1.
1. Very good. Is it singular or plural?
1.
Singular. Very good, Magic. Magic, why is it singular?
Yellow. It's 1 ball.
Yes, there's only 1 ball. Nice. Now look, there are 4 balls. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. Very good. Now look, Hongzong, how many balls are there?
There are 4.
Very good. So this is plural. Okay? All right. Now look at this one. 3 cars. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Very good. Okay, now your turn, Hongzong. So Magic, it's Hongzong's turn. Look, Hongzong, only 1 kite. Is this singular or plural?
Single.
Very good. Hongzong, why is this singular?
Red.
Because
it's only 1 kind. 1.
that's right, only 1. Now look at this one, Hongzong. Look, Hongzong, there are 5 kites. Is that singular or plural?
Plural.
Hongzong, singular or plural?
Plural.
Yes, it's plural.
Plural.
Okay, so Hongzong's turn. Wait a minute. Look, Hongzong, why is this plural?
Plural.
Because
Because
They are 5.
fine.
They are 5 because they are 5.
They are
That's right. Very good. Now, this time, I want you to look at this. I'm going to draw some shape. Okay? Now, tell me whether it's singular or plural. Look, how many square?
Yeah, one.
Very good. Is that
One.
singular or plural?
Single.
Very good. Okay, now what about this one? I'm going to add another 2 squares. Okay, is that singular or plural?
Yeah.
Plural. Great job. Okay, now look at this one. I have one boy. Oh, there's one boy. Look, there is one boy. Is that singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. Very good. Now there are 10 girls. Singular or plural?
10
Plural.
Plural. Very
โยนห
good.
มดเลย
Okay, now look at this one. So, look,
โยนหมดโยนหมด
I have here banana. Okay, but there are 5. Are we going to add S or no S? Look, 5. Are we going to add S? Is it banana or bananas? Oh, look at this one.
5 bananas.
Look. Yes, that's 5 bananas. Now here, I'm going to draw some fruits. Look, wow. This is an orange. Now look, there are 3 of them. All right. Look, I'm going to put something here. Like that. So we have 3. Okay, is it orange or oranges?
Oranges.
Very good. It's oranges. Why do we call it oranges? Because
It's a plural.
It's a plural.
that's right. So if it's plural, we add S.
S.
Now let's take it out. Titting, titting, titting. Only one left. Orange or oranges?
Oranges.
No, only one.
Only one left.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Great job. Okay, now let's look at this one. Look at the picture, listen, ask, and answer. Here it is.
Page 26. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
How many dolls?
1 doll.
One.
How many dolls?
2 dolls. 2 dolls.
2
1.
dolls.
How many dolls? 1 doll.
1 doll.
2.
How many dolls? 2 dolls.
2 dolls. 2 dolls.
3.
How many balls? 1 ball.
1 ball.
How many balls? 8 balls.
8 ball.
5.
How
1
many
ball.
cars? 1 car.
1 ball.
Very good.
6.
How many cars? 3 cars.
3 cars.
7.
How many kites? 1 kite.
1 kite.
8.
How many kites? 7 kites.
7 kites.
Great job. Now, I want you to look at the picture Hongzong and Magic. Are you ready to play the game?
Yes. I'm ready.
What about you, Hongzong? Are you ready? Are you ready, Hongzong?
Yes.
Great. Very good. Now, I want you to look at number 1. What is this?
What is this?
This is
Yes,
a dog.
Magic.
It's a
Oh,
dog.
I forgot. Look, raise your hand if you want to answer.
Teacher, I raised my hand.
Okay, so this is just a warm up. Look, what is this? Yes, Hongzong.
A dog. This is a dog.
This is a doll. Very good. So that is a warm up. No star yet. Good practice. It's okay, Magic. It's just a practice. Okay, this is now a real game. Ready or not? Here I come. Look at number 2. What are these? Yes, Hongzong.
It's a dog.
Dolls. Very good. Now look, Hongzong. How many dolls are there?
2.
Okay, you say, there are 2 dolls.
There are 2 dogs.
Very
Wow.
good. So 1 star for you. Okay, now get ready, Magic. Look at the picture. Look at number 5. What is this? Yes, Magic.
No 5. It's
It's 1 car.
what is this?
What is
A
this?
car. It's a car.
Very good. Now, how many car can you see?
I see.
I don't know.
How many cars có hỏi?
One car.
That's right. Very good. Look at this 1 car, Magic. Is it big or small?
It's big.
Very good. 1 star for you. Now get ready. Look for the kite. How many small kites are there? Yes, Hongzong.
7 more cats. Small cats.
Okay. Now your chance, Magic. Answer in a complete sentence. How many small kites are there?
There are 7.
There are 7.
Yes. Very good. So 1 for Magic and 1 for Hongzong. Great job. So always answer in a complete sentence. Okay, look at those green small balls. Oh, not yet, not yet. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Down, Hongzong, down. Okay, look. How many green balls are there? Yes, Hongzong.
There
There are 8
One more
balls.
time. One more time.
There are 8 balls.
eight green ball.
There
Okay,
are
you
8
say
green
balls. Balls.
balls.
Okay, one more time. There are
There are 8 balls.
balls. All right, so 1 star for you. Now, look for number 7. What is this?
7.
Yes, Magic.
What is this? Number 7.
7. Cái nào là
It's
7?
kite.
7 is kite. 1 kite.
Yeah.
Oh.
Big.
Okay, I will get your star, Hongzong.
Oh, sabi ko sao?
Because you did not raise your hand. And I called Magic. Look, Magic. Look at number 7. What is this?
Giơ tay lên.
Is
Ủa, nó sẽ chưa có hỏi quan đâu.
It's a
is a kite.
Very good. What color is the kite, Magic?
Is red and yellow.
Nice. Okay, so don't answer if your name is not called. Now, look
Câu trả lời nếu
for
không có tên.
the balloons. How many balloons are there? Yes, Hongzong.
Two balloons.
You say there are.
There are two balloons.
Very good. So 1 star for you. Wow. Okay. Now look for number 6. What are these? Yes, Magic.
They are
They are cars.
That's right. Now
Six
look.
and they are called
Okay.
cars.
Yes, that's right, Hongzong. Now look, Hongzong. How many cars are there in this picture, Hongzong?
Three cars. There are
Okay,
three.
your chance, Magic. How many cars are there in this picture?
There are 4 cars.
That's right. There are 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now listen carefully, Hongzong and Magic. How many big kites can you see? Yes, Hongzong.
One big cat.
That's right. Oh, say that again.
One big cat.
One big kite, no S. Okay, here. Very good. Now look. How many small balls are there? Yes, Hongzong. By the way, Magic, I cannot see your hand. Yes, Hongzong.
Two dogs.
Nice
Two dogs.
try. Your chance, Magic.
Three dogs.
Nice try. Nice try, Hongzong. Listen carefully. How many small balls are there? Yes, Magic.
There are 8 balls.
That's right. There are 8 balls. Small balls.
Small
Okay.
ball.
That's right. Now look. How many toys are there? Yes, Hongzong.
There are 8. There are 8.
Can you circle? Circle.
One,
With toy.
Giờ con sữa đâu?
3, 4, 5. Tổng cộng có 8 đồ chơi còn chi?
How many?
Một đồ chơi, 2 đồ chơi, 3 đồ chơi, 4 đồ chơi, 5 đồ chơi, 6 đồ chơi, 7 đồ chơi, 8 đồ chơi.
There is 4 toys.
Thôi.
Right. So, no. Okay. I will get 1 star for you, Magic. So look, Hongzong. How many toys are there in total, Hongzong?
8 ball toy. 8 ball toy.
Nice try, nice try. Okay, your turn, Magic. You can get your star again. How many toys are there in total?
There are 4 toys.
What toys are you looking at? Look. Okay, we have 1,
1,
2,
2,
3. Oh, yes, you are. So Hongzong and Magic are actually right. 1 for Magic and 1 for Hongzong. Very good. So you both are right. Okay, now look. What color is the big ball? Yes, Hongzong.
con thưa thấp thì con
Orange. Orange.
That's right. It's orange. Okay. Now, what